Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Barbiturates.
Let's break it down.
This word often confuses people. The correct way is barbiturates. Start with bar, then b, then a smooth chew, and end with ritz. Notice it's not barbiturates, but barbiturates. Now let's master it together. Repeat after me 3 times. Barbiturates, barbiturates, barbiturates. If you got it right all 3 times, you just nailed a word most people stumble on.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Barbiturates, 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 barbiturates.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.